Hello Android users. So if you want your WhatsApp call to use less data, I will tell you how to do it. So directly go to the WhatsApp area and tap on three dots on top right corner and click on settings. Once you click on settings, you will have different options on your screen. You have to tap on storage and data, which deals with network usage and auto downloads, right? So you tap there and you will directly see option of use less data for calls. So you have to just on it, that button to green, right, if it is off, and you can just off it as well whenever you want from this area only, right? And let me tell you, your quality will be decreased a bit as it compresses the voice and the video, but it won't be affecting too much, right? So it's not a bad way to save your data. That's how we do it. See you in the next video. Tada.